Ringphawon da ajui khamata ya pauping Little Flower School le bom hai khame akhali tukhui haira Shokar na coins kathar semshok haira credit schemes Tangkhul khwai jan samart bordel shomi haira UTSA na Makok Khami District League Achigajang Hapokara Lekyang Tor Aju the Tangkhul Express Wibao Ringphawon Zimik in a Pami delay Bao being my sa in a Nganang Rumsa Matang Little Flower School le bomb Kangwok we case li Miyaka to Kuhera Police na aya kahang Thonau jam Rishi Koho serial bomber kacha bomb Haimimi kachi Miyakali to Kui Kahaina Imphal West with Superintendent of Police K Sivakanda na kahang Zingum Hangmati da Turuk ka kahaya Rishi ji Kangla Sangom Shangwi Mina Kala Ali tukukui jiaina Manipuri Shokahai bomb plus cases kate Kaikala Thurgukui Sampanghaira SPG na kahang Rishi Koho bomb hai khame mi baji National Revolutionary Front of Manipur Doblo Koho Bangladesh base chairman Jizu Khamiwe Azingli Zatkasana Police na Rukrida Rishi na kahang bomb hai khami chiwibang Ali Lupa Thing Tumra Mia SPG na kahang Kareli Shokahai Nakamabel aina Kurai Pamli bomb Kangwok Chilila Rishi Wipang Zanga Pau sam kapang aina police commandos ping Rishi Wishimli Hortang Ngaya Kavana Police pingli kathai aina Rishi na akhong akha Singphungda yam khawai sai Kala akhong chile explosives aina bomb katha sem khawai majak changsaya da hang Rishi wili aman kasaka garila leisai Kala lupa thing jugola hai saya da police na hang Rishi li rukri khawai lamlai police station ni misang haira la khawak Little Flower School we jishut mapping katam naw kala worship jili ot kasanaw pingna bom khangawok ocho jili makhamaya maringkapha phongshok haira play cards singda katam kushipam machaksing saglu katam naw pingna rakhra atami pakrana kala worship hi jingri khai apam ngasang saglo da tuiwaw ngawaw ngro khaira Worship jiwimi ping awa ping kala reader tam kasanaw ping la jangda protest kasa mass rally la chathairo rally jili Red Cross wi mi la janga Little Flower School wi Superior Maria Dilbungna khamatwili yari wi katom khami kathei wi ringkapha ningkashi phongshokda kala authority na rano mi avavu na rano jigatha otsakji mahan likhwai sister Dilbungna ngakaw haira Little Flower School na kakashung katam kashe Khwiramida state with Khanitot kasemhi worship ji winning rina da sister ji na hangsang worship ji libom khangok ji Naga Students Federation nala khangak kala makhamaya phongshok hair jingri ka hai khwira khawai psycho na marlak aina hotna da khlaya tam hitharan jithada magapha otsak kasaji rijumnaw psycho na contem sarana da federation ji na hanga Little Flower School li kakatom phongshok da khayona ping phashok khawai kasali state shokarna khikla monotha machitha haya rano da NSF na hang Ministry of Finance and Corporate Affairs na Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav Khamayon sada Prime Minister Modi na coins kathar launch sami haira Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav wi design kazang lupa akha khani phanga Tharakala Makui coins shoka haiji commemorative coins mang sala Kangacha circulation is adra Rani jili phone the credit link shokar schemes Tharada Gutumni connect Samiki Kichi border Jan Samart Hoda Semika Hai Achahon Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Tharkat Kami Haira Reader schemes Wivang Yarina Shokar Levasai Ka Ara Shokar na schemes being Yarili Kwiva Kamili Rindale Kala border aka lake hygiene website Ngate Deli Mavanganaula Yari Wivang Komai Karhara the Prime Minister Nahang Jan Samart portal hiaina beneficiaries being the loans Dan Bukuyatam Mazang Maimara Kala Atum Wivang process la by Maira the Bank of India MTAK Das Nahanga Border Chili schemes Jungmei Sangmi Mamandra the Hanga Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman kahang Aruri Jan Samad Bordal Chui Aina Shokar schemes Trada Khani Wili Thasam Kwipaira border chile education loan, agri infrastructure, business with livelihood with loan quick by ngatai de with schemes changdale. Ning sang ping na website jansamarth.in vayang paira. Ukhrul District Sports Association na makok kami District League hapo kidat leidale. COVID mi mawi bang aina kharegum masala ra ka hai haklak ka hai country thing hanche ajuwi tarik magadamati thang hapogra. District League li jang khwai form la mishok phokhaira. Team Avavali Lupa Ting Kanini Aina Mingchan Sang Sagdale. Country Thing Han District League Chile Sanghavai Form Mikasang Ajuitarik Trada Shinina Kanawa Thang Nasara the Hang. Kalachiwi Managers Pingwe Kazib Tarik Muguthang Bamra Ngahanje Samadan Marutiwi Kangajon Tanglaga Rungmigi Gajina. Ukhrul District Hospital e-Government's Foundation implement Sakami Bed Tharakahai ICU Wardle Otsakwai Mi Padale. ICU duty contract basis aina chingum akhawiwang staff nurse wi otpam khani hangdaklaina hangdaklai staff nurse otpam wiwang thag sangping kapamkhui ghai thili ngalangda ot saphoksha phlungra hiwiwang basic computer knowledge le phlungra kala digital devices la singthei phlungra otpam ji Manipur State Nursing Council mingchan kahai Ukhrul district wi richumnau pingmang wiwangna ICU staff nurse Sakwai recognized University Board Council Wena PUC HSSLC Kupkahai Maningako Chiling Orai Gacha qualification Leplungra General Nursing and Midwifery with diploma Maningako Chiling Orai Gacha recognized Nursing School Institute Wena qualification Leplungra Kala Bet Shaka Gaga Arishangwe ICU li Teo Makeup the Tingum Aka Ot Sakahai now Nasaplungra Otpam chi teo makeup da tingum trada t-shirt chung makeup da thumrada phangale malang paimara kha OBC SC ST pingwi shokarna jizu khami athishu da tingum relax sa khami lai saro hangdak le ICU staff nurse otpam we consolidated pay ko changchangle lupa thingmukamira da hang application forms district CMO maningako medical superintendent MS office liquipaira application form kala supporting documents with copy district CMO maningaka MS office li rakra tarik thrawe alungle office hourly misam plungra shortlist sakahai candidates ping working interview wivang district CMO maningako MS office li tarik thrathang chishat mira working interview li original supporting documents singplungra kapangkhui kahai pingwe amingla district CMO maningako MS office li tarik thrada akathang ngazin pungmati mkhaile shokmira hangdak le interview ji aju tarik thrada akathang khambasom all district hospital we mini conference hall le ngshun pung akhale hapogra e government's foundation ICU with staff nurse kukhiji merit basis aina kapangkhira da hang Indian Super League with champions Khanishi ngasa ka haya Chennai Football Club na Manipuri midfielder Yum Khaibam Cheteshwar Singli Khuisang Haira Rakra season wivang Cheteshwar na multi-year deal shoi sahaira chia I-League Kharewi season li Cheteshwar na Neroka Football Club wivang mathalak aina ngariaw mida best emerging player mingphola sampang haira kasana Cheteshwar na league thrada khani championship stage matches phangale khangriaw sampang haira Singum Mukunau defensive midfielder Cheteshwar na 2020 kum Orange Brigade we aina career hapokda I-League seasons kuthum kadale khangriaw sampang haira kala professional matches hangmatili ngariaw haira Haklak kahaya e-commerce Amazon aina Manipur Shokar nangrumda Panthoibi Emporium koho online platform show mi haira Panthoibi Emporium chili stayed with handloom aina handicraft chithaira kala yormira kala china stately leida clay tribal nauping kashan kuchon kharak la pangot kasanau la kuthum kada wiwang kaphang sara Panthoibi Emporium online apom chile pang aina rakakhui kashan kuchon Khao kui hon katha maningla terracotta kala kona aina sem ku khui audio ping kala Manipur wi kushak gajala yormira Amazon India selling partner services with director Sumit Sahe na kahang 2025 kum kharali program china enterprises katete now million tharaka dale digitize sami haira sakhawai rindale cycle blog with village chief akale naumei aina kaptha thaira mawan saga haya ji jingum hangphanga da shini zilhem khongsai hoda cycle likhle na phai khuwe aunga da hang pauna ka hang khongsai le tarik thuruk thangaya pung barota na naile awishim aina ra ho khui thuilaga chiwi thili naumei ka kap khon chaya nauda khongsai je naumei therena chakshilak aina sachalaga leisada cycle chc le phongwalaga makan khuiru thu kichina da hang khongsai le khibana khiwiwang kap ka thatkhala maram ngarurik ka hai mathairanga Ajugum World Environment Day Community ZDKL Green Chindun Mission nala Shorokhida M Raikhan Ecological Park Tului Khuli Thingrong Lingasang Rani Khwika Haira DKL na hosami the only one earth kachitu kuile panda ZDKL Green Chindun Mission na Park Chili Atherong aina orchids lingsang haira kala otsin je oguchu wiwang kapha khwiraki kichi local action ngasaya da long china kapishoka Kala living sustainably in harmony with nature kachili pan laga yari pan wiwang phaki kachi ot katela sabaya da hang World Environment Day with Rani ji Tului Village Community Hall kwikada mi hang thuruk na wajanga IRS retire home raikana Rani ji muso samida itumi kharing kharagle eco friendly family friendly kala waste management system changda standard infrastructure mathada khalai darga saya da hang Machajang Raikhan Ecological Park le ZDKL Green Chindun Mission Orchid Park semda Chila Home Raikana Tharkat Kami Haira Prime Minister Sri Schools the Model Worship Center Shokarna Semra Leidale Prime Minister Sri Schools National Education Policy NEP 2020 we laboratory ngasara kala rakhra atam wiwang katamnaw pingle sem kukuyapam ngasara the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan hang Maramji National School Education Ministers Conference Gandhinagar le gazibda chili minister jina khamutuli ka hang gazib chili Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Badal Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant Union Ministers of State for Education and Skill Development, Education Ministers being National Curriculum Framework Kathar Sem Khawai Steering Committee Chairperson, Kala Education Ministry with Akho Kaping Wazanga.
Hoziki matamda mipum khodimak na hainari stay home stay safe. Wahai se magun dilai. Adubu wahai da magun lairagata yabasu natte. Oibe yai yumadu da magun lairabade. Mamangai dadi yumse yum khakta oirame hojikti office spa salon restaurant supermarket mana masingi kaithel angang singi school amadi football field pumnamak yum ngaktani hojikti yum danatana hairiba pumnamak sing sisu samely aduna yumbu yam section na sabiyu make cement ga loinana make cement take laroi da yum tat laroi da mari
Dr. Helena Eye Care Center, opposite Raj Medicity, North AOC, Imphal. Dr. Helena Eye Care Center Li, surgery, prosthetic eye, contact lenses, artificial eye testing, frames, different fibers, glasses, hikatata, sapaira. Visiting hours na summerly, Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sunday li na 8 a.m. to 12 noon na. Appointment Vivang 977-406-5535. You call Sami Pai.
Ukhrul Autonomous District Council with Caretaker Chairman Dr. Yaron Chonglungna Otpom Aina resign Sao Kada Kapit Misang Haira. Resignation letter Achahon Tarik Turokthang Migasangna. Governor Lit DC with Manga Aina Miwada Public Interest Vivang resign Saka Gachi Dr. Ngulungna Kapisanga. Itumna Tepai ATC election Raradalay State Cabinet Tutak Tak High Tako Rak Rapi Tadraha Kachang Hile ATC Urban Local Body Kala Banjat Election Moron Sauki Kachina. Lot Luchida Ajui Kamataya Baobing Little Flower School le bom haikame akali tukhuhaira Shokarna coins cutter semshokhaira credit schemes Tangkhul khwai Jan Samart Bordel Shomi haira UTSA na Makok Kami District League Achigajang Hapokhara Achi Pao Henang Chang Haira Pao Ngana da Clay Natum Psycho Relate Ringapha Kalakham Haya Zimik Show Sa Serena